Hello, this is Judge DePel, and I am on the line. Do I have a court reporter present? Oh, is that my court reporter? I can see you but not hear you. I'm still not hearing you. You're good to go? You can hear me? Okay, thank you. We're going to wait just a few minutes. I believe a couple of the commissioners are going to be joining us. Ms. Quick or Ms. Cleathermos, either one of you, do you know if anyone has signed up ahead of time to testify?
Please leave a message or try me in my office at area code 573-7.
Yes, Judge, I'm not aware of any.
Okay, thank you. Commissioner Coleman, is that you on the line now? Commissioner Kolkmeyer, are you on the line?
I am, yes.
Okay, great. Okay, I'm going to give just one more minute. It sounded like Commissioner Coleman was trying to join us.
And I am here now.
Oh, and you are here. Great.
Thank you.
Thank you, Commissioner. All right, then. I think everybody is present, so we can go ahead and go on the record. First, I'd like to ask everybody who's not speaking at the moment to go ahead and mute yourselves. That'll cut down on any noise, feedback, and so forth. Today is October 4, 2021. The Missouri Public Service Commission has set this time for a virtual local public hearing to give members of the public a chance to comment about Ameren, Missouri's application in Commission File Number GR-2021-0241, which is captioned as "In the matter of Union Electric Company doing business as Ameren, Missouri's tariffs to adjust its revenues for natural gas service." The Missouri Public Service Commission regulates the rates and services of investor-owned utility companies in Missouri to ensure that those rates and services are just and reasonable. The Commission also regulates the quality of service and the safety of operations of public utilities. The Commission is made up of 5 commissioners. The commissioners are appointed by the governor to fixed terms and confirmed by the Missouri Senate. The commissioners employ a staff of engineers, accountants, attorneys, financial analysts, and other specialists in the field of utility regulation. My name is Nancy DePel, and I'm the regulatory law judge assigned to this matter for this hearing. And with me online today are Commissioner Coleman and Commissioner Kolkmeyer. This is an official hearing of the Missouri Public Service Commission, and the statement and testimony of witnesses will be recorded by the court reporter and must be given under oath or affirmation. The Commission has not made any decisions in this case, and neither the commissioners nor myself can answer any questions today because the Commission must remain neutral until all the evidence is presented. Commissioner Coleman or Commissioner Kolkmeyer, did you have any opening statements you'd like to make?
I would just like to thank those that are in attendance for their participation tonight. As commissioners, we take seriously what the public brings to us in these hearings, and we look forward to being able to gather the information. It will also, of course, be provided to the three commissioners not joining us tonight. Um, and used at the time that a decision must be made. Thank you again for your participation. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Commissioner Kolkmeyer, did you have anything?
No, Commissioner Coleman did a great job. Just want to welcome everyone. I want to thank everyone before we get started for their testimony that we're going to have tonight in this hearing. So thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Commissioner. Let's go ahead and start with entries of appearance. Can I start with the company, please, Cameron?
Good evening. Thank you. Jermaine Grubbs on behalf of Ameren, Missouri. My last name is spelled Grubbs. My address is 1901 Shoto Avenue, St. Louis, Missouri, 63103. Thank you.
Thank you. Is there an attorney for staff?
Good evening, Judge, and good evening, everyone. My name is Jamie Myers on behalf of the staff of the Missouri Public Service Commission. My address is 200 Madison Street, Jefferson City, Missouri, 65101.
Thank you. And do we have anyone from Office of Public Counsel?
Yes, Mark Poston, intern for the Office of the Public Counsel.
Thank you. Are there any attorneys for any of the interveners that would like to make an entry? I have a call-in user. Is there any attorney that wants to make an entry that didn't get an opportunity to? All right. The process is basically going to be, since I didn't have anyone pre-register to testify tonight, the process is going to be that I'm just going to open it up to the floor and take you one at a time as best I can. If you would like to testify, I would just ask you to unmute yourself in just a minute when I ask and speak up, and I'll, like I say, I'll try to get you at one at a time as I can. When you are going to testify, I'll ask you to swear or affirm to tell the truth, and I will ask you to state your name and to spell it, and then you can give the commission your comments. After you've given your remarks, if you would stay on the line briefly so that in case I or the commissioners or some of the attorneys for the parties have some clarifying questions, we can ask those of you. If you are just called in and not on your computer or through the WebEx link, you'll need to both make sure you unmute your phone, and also you may have to press *6 to unmute yourself so that you can be heard. So at this time, I'll go ahead then and ask if there's anyone that would like to give us testimony tonight. If you need to press *6 if you're call-in user, and that should unmute you. Not hearing anyone, but we had some problems earlier on a different case with a user who had difficulty unmuting themselves. So I want to make sure that we have plenty of opportunity. I say, if you are on just calling in, you will have to press star and 6 to unmute. I'm still not hearing anyone. Miss Quick, did you have anyone asking questions during the question and answer session? She may not be able to get unmuted either.
This is Miss Clee
Oh,
Thermos. We
yes.
did not have anyone.
Okay. We have several callers. I know there are some staff members and some Office of Public Counsel and some company service people on the line, so gonna do the last call then for people who would like to testify. If you are on the line and you didn't testify, but you change your mind later and want to, there is another hearing in the gas case, and I apologize, I don't have the date in front of me, but you can go to the commission webpage at psc.mo.gov. That's psc.mo.gov. And you can also give written comments by going to that webpage. And we ask that you reference the case number for this case, which is GR-2021-0241. If there is no one else, no one that wants to speak up, not seeing any phones unmuting, I'm not seeing anyone asking to speak, so going to assume that no one wants to give testimony at this time. And I was just informed that Friday at noon is the other hearing in the gas case. So if someone changes their mind and decides they want to speak, they can log in at that time. There is a different login number, but again, you can go to the PSC website and get that information. So, okay, well, thank you all for your participation this evening, and we can go ahead and go off the record.